Here's our top 5 closet organizational tips. This is already a very well organized closet, but just at quick glance, I can see a couple of things that we could tweak to maximize the space. Tip number 1, velvet hangers so your shirts don't slip. Tip number 2, move the things that you don't wear very often to the back of your closet and then maximize like your eye line to the stuff that you wear all the time. So these are her dresses and we're just gonna move them to the back of the closet because it is winter time and she's not wearing them every single day. You can obviously seasonally switch out your stuff, but this is just all she has because she's a little bit more of a minimalist. So we've just flipped this kind of seasonally. So once summer comes around and she's wearing her dresses more often, we'll move them back to the front. Tip number 3, hang your jeans with a shower hook. Fold the jeans back, grab the 2 loops and the large U part of the shower hook, hook it through the back 2 loops, and then we just hang it. Look how nice that looks. It looks like a boutique. So originally the jeans were on this top shelf. We've moved them down here, created more space up top. Tip number 4 is just for some very easy, cheap organizational hacks. You can hang your belt on a hook, and some over-the-door hooks is a really good place to store your purses. And last but not least, our tip number 5, which is one of my favorite tips, is to organize your closet by sections. So see how we have the collared shirts together, then we have long sleeves, t-shirts, and then even within those sections, you can color code everything. See how we have it color coded? Then your tank tops together, dresses, jeans, and then we have sweaters. Those are our 5 tips to keep your closet organized. Thanks for watching.